if you're new to ArchiCAD, today's video is your ultimate beginner's guide. We've outlined simple steps to help you kickstart your project and overcome the beginner confusion. Let's get started. Open up ArchiCAD and select a template for your new project. The first thing you want to check before starting a project is your working units. Head to Options, then go to Project Preferences, and select Working Units. Modify them according to your project preferences. Next up are dimensions. Dimensions define spatial relationships, which ensures that spaces like rooms and corridors meet functional and aesthetic requirements. To verify your dimensions, revisit Options, then proceed to Project Preferences, and choose Dimensions. Make sure to input the values needed to match your preferences. It is much easier to work on your project when you match your dimension and working units. You can also avoid manually creating a new set of dimensions for each project by creating a template and saving it on your local file. And there you have it. You're all set to start your ArchiCAD project.
Feel free to reach out to us if you need production drafting at mgsglobalgroup.com. Don't forget to subscribe.